Give me this shit.
Dude, what is this guy doing?
Look at this motherfucker.
Oh my god! Wow, that's someone's grandpa, but okay.
Jesus Christmas!
No,
dude.
no, 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 no! No, 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 no! I feel like I'm the dash cam right now. Holy shit! I should have never let you drive.
It's the music. The music does it to me.
Where are we going, Chris?
That's this guy.
Where are we going, Dave?
Harbor Freights.
Oh god.
Harbor Freights?
Multiple? Yeah, they got a couple locations. We're going to Harbor Freight to pick up Dave's first toolbox because I'm tired of him using my tools. Yup.
Yeah, you lost some more, I heard.
No, I found it.
You always find them. Oh my god, this guy drives like a maniac.
No, I don't. You drive like a maniac.
You're tailgating everyone.
Done.
I haven't tailgated a single
Frankie,
person.
wait till you drive with Josh.
Yeah?
Let Josh drive you around.
Your prostate's gonna be clenched the whole time.
It is right now. Yep, good old traffic.
Yo, everybody move! Move!
Who are you beeping at?
Everybody.
Lane split at least.
Move! Move! That's my street.
Worst street ever. They beeped at you, really?
Yeah.
What the f?
Alright, we made it. Half an hour later.
Literally can't even see the sign. Somewhere up there.
Alright, Dave, you excited?
What are you doing?
Let him park.
No.
Malcolm.
Blinker would be nice.
It's in a parking lot.
Yeah, but
Still turning.
It's true.
Go see what kind of knockoff shit we can find in there.
And I hope they have more somewhere back there so we don't dig up.
Well, you want to go look at
No, this is where they keep them. You're gonna get yellow for
What,
Dave.
the display ones?
Dave likes yellow. Ooh. For the lantern flies? How much?
$4.40.
Way too much.
Okay.
Way.
We'll check Alibaba.
There you go, Dave. How much are these?
That's not that bad.
Yeah, how much are these? Yeah, what about this, yo? This is better for him if you can get the bottom one. This is what you're looking at? Oh. I mean, at least there's drawers. I'm looking at that blue on the bottom.
That shit's dented as shit. How much for the dented one?
Yeah, can we get the banged up one?
Can we grab a hammer? There's no hammer.
I don't know, man. I would get this bottom one.
Let me see.
It's good.
It's good, it's cool.
It's good. I thought I'd do them with this.
Yeah, I was looking at it. Oh, shit.
Yeah. You got all those drawers? What do you think about that one, Dave? Every one? Okay.
Oh, this. They only have an orange one, or
No,
unless
they probably have more. There's a yellow one.
These might be sold out.
Wait, what's the 26-inch? There's two prices right here. I think it's $360.
How much is the other one?
$240.
All I know is if he gets this one,
You could potentially get the
this one. Your song's on. Oh god. Fucking running up that hill. This one looks the nicest, I think. But blue actually looks good too, so. There's all blue stuff in the shop. Got a little shelf. This is actually nice.
I think the tray is $30.
This is nice.
What is that?
Hook. I'm getting one of these for things on the side of my toolbox.
Oh, true.
So it's either this one or that small one over there.
What color would you want?
Well, that one I'd probably get. I mean, black maybe.
Neon green?
No.
Neon orange?
No.
I knew you were a yellow guy. What about blue?
Dude, I would have got the white one.
Blue or black? I like both.
The white one's
I like that. The gray one's cool.
The gray, it looks green to me right now.
It does look green.
Thank God someone else said it because
You guys
does
are
look green.
colorblind.
it's just me with grays. They all look green. This is silverish gray.
Yeah.
That's gray.
This looks
This
green.
is green. It's not green, but it looks green.
I know what you're saying, bro.
What about this one right here? Which one would you rather have?
Probably that one.
Okay. Thought so. All right. So what do you think? It's up to you.
Sheesh, no, I don't know.
Sheesh.
Wait, is there space for this? Like a bigger one or?
How much deeper is this, Chris?
I think this one's
What's the
22.
dimensions?
I think that one's 18.
Yeah, 22 and 18. So what, 4 inches?
So you're gaining 4 inches. The nice thing about this, you can literally put it anywhere in the shop.
Going with the gray one.
The gray one.
Nice.
Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Give me the snap-on shorty. There it is. The toolbox. It's big. All right, Dave. Let's put it together.
Are we bothering Brian or what?
Yeah. He might not be there. Give him a call right now. See if he's at work. You're gonna take this exit. You're gonna pull in to the right and just go straight back like you own the place.
Okay.
Right here.
Like you own the place.
Going straight to the back.
Straight to the back. Don't go slow now. I don't want to hit anyone's cars.
Oh,
there he is. All right, dude. Yo, it's dead in there.
I'm an island girl trying to make it. I'm an island girl. Hey. What are we doing here?
We just picked up a toolbox for Dave.
What's up?
From here?
No. Of Harbor Freight. Yeah.
That's what I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. You're officially a tech, bro.
Yeah.
Welcome to losing your fucking mind every single day. And with Frankie, forget about it.
This is Brian, our friend from Nissan.
What's up, man? I don't know what I'm doing, but I just make a lot of money at Nissan because these cars are always broken.
They just change transmissions all day.
Lantern fly.
Oh.
Kill it. Oh.
my
I was like, no.
There's one
If
right
that
there
thing-
by his foot too.
Oh no!
He's gonna capture it.
You can't go nowhere.
Get that thing off.
Bitch. Get up. You got any last words, motherfucker?
Dude, these things are everywhere.
Toolbox you made him buy. Because, it's always Frankie.
No. It wasn't me. You know,
His money?
he would have bought a
Took all
snap.
your money?
He would have bought a
Straight
snap-on
gray.
one.
Oh, it has to be. Is it
You wanna
gray
show
or
him?
green?
Green.
I hate you. See, that's why I said that.
Is it gray or green?
Got it.
You excited?
Yeah.
Cool. Bye.
Those are just acorns in there.
All right, Dave.
Oh,
You
yeah.
got 1 hour. Get cracking.
All done.
Complete.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good spot. You're gonna change the handle maybe?
Maybe.
For that one?
Or you can just switch to like that.
Sure.
You think it's green?
Nah, that's gray.
I see green.
A little bit, yeah.
Well,
There's green in everything.
that is true.